Yo, what's cracking YouTube? It's your boy Professor Crypto. Got another hot crypto class for you guys today. This one's on fire. You guys already know anything we bring on the channel, it's got the heat, got the potential, and it definitely should be watched. This one is so different, guys. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Class is now in session. This one is called Quai.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Professor Crypto!
Professor Crypto! Best content creator!
Professor Crypto, love it.
Now guys, this video is sponsored by Stake. Shout out Stake, guys. Super hot platform. Make sure you go and check them out. Now let's jump right into the video. Now guys, Quai is a scalable and programmable proof of work layer 1 doing 50,000 plus TPS at sub-cent fees, EVM compatible, and ASIC and GPU mined with a crypto native energy dollar at its core. The two token system pairs Quai, a deflationary store value, and QI, which is energy backed private money, sound money, permissionless settlement, and censorship resistance, extended to actually function as a monetary system, guys. Built by researchers out of the University of Texas at Austin who began working on proof of work scalability in 2018, Quai uses a hierarchy of merge mined blockchains to deliver throughput without sacrificing decentralization. Proof of work isn't the end goal, it's the engine, guys, and it leverages it to generalize and generate protocol revenue through SOAP and to back QI as a decentralized alternative to fiat peg stablecoins. Within the traction, guys, we have $158.67 billion secured via merge mining, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Doge, and RVN. The 40 per second peak hash rate, which is $4 million per month in miner spend, 150,000 GPUs, 100 plus nodes, 60 plus projects on the mainnet, 81.5 million Quai burned, which is 8% of the supply through SOAP, and singularly forked, burned at 1.67 billion Quai, eliminating 81% of future unlocks. They're live on Kraken as well, guys, where you can buyable in Coinbase and Base via Symbiosis. Their ecosystem, the Akash, IONET, Okta, Clore, Flux, Cryptex, and K1 Pool. They are building the blockchain of the future. And of course, this is done through 3 revenue engines, guys. SOAP, which is to Bitcoin, extending merge mining to BTC once the SHA hash rate scales to about 4 times, guys. Quai becomes a decentralized BTC pool, earning the fee. Then there's BlipPay, live on iOS with change swaps, the consumer grade payments and swaps. And then the third way, of course, is Entropic, which is now on open source. And of course, you can see Entropic here, guys, integrated within the Quai network, powered by Quai. You can see that right up here, guys. Everything you need built in, the web capabilities, secure sandbox, privacy first, file management, persistent memory, task scheduling, everything is here, guys. The best way to run OpenClaw. Recap at a glance: the first truly decentralized monetary system unifying all 3 functions of money and breakthrough scalability. The Tigers, Quai, and QI. Consensus, Proof-of-Entropy-Minima. The Genesis supply, 1.3 billion Quai. Block time, 5 seconds per shard. Cross shard settlement, 30 seconds versus days for layer 2s. Peak capacity, 255,000 TPS. So how does it work? Again, there's the hierarchical proof of work, guys. 1 prime chain, 3 region chains, and 9 zone chains from hierarchy. Earn miner simultaneously checks through their hash against all 3 difficulty levels, guys. A single computation secures the entire network. No extra energy, no extra hardware. A 51% attack on any chain requires 51% of total network hash power. There's 2 tokens and 1 system. This is an EVM compatible token with logarithmic emission, increasingly scarce over time, like digital gold, guys. QI and UTXO base token with linear emission tied to mining difficulty, making it a decentralized stablecoin backed by real energy costs. Miners choose which to earn. Anyone can convert between them at a protocol set rate. Then there's the Proof-of-Entropy-Minima. Traditional blockchains fork when 2 miners find a block at the same time. Quai's consensus mechanism, POEM, measures the intrinsic entropy each block removes from the hash space. Every node always picks the same winner, guys. No forks, no ambiguity, no wasted work. Consensus is instant and objective. So again, the core features with complete digital monetary system, EVM compatible smart contracts, energy dollar alternatives, sharded address space, dual ledger architecture built for global adoption. The docs, the code, the network, all here, guys. And the wallet like Pelagus, Pay, Tangum. And you can get Quai on mexcgate.io, Symbiosis, Aerodrome, Lbank, and Kraken.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's good.
Shout out to all my students. I love you. Shout out to the Crypto Class Gang, to Lemming, shout out to the Web Gang, shout out to the Hodl Gang. Thank you for always your continued support, guys. I really appreciate it. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to smash that like button for me. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Please remember, guys, we are an impartial channel, so whether your opinion is negative or positive, we'd be more than happy to hear it. That being said, guys, class is now dismissed. Group hug. We'll see you in our next video. Professor Crypto out. Really hope you enjoyed that video, guys. Make sure you hit that like button and the subscribe button if you're interested in seeing some more crypto reviews and exclusive international blockchain events. We are the channel for that, guys, as you know. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.